Steve Johnson with Copresco here. You might not have recognized me because I'm not wearing my trademark suit and tie. Yes, I'm looking casual. Sometimes it's good to go against the grain. In fashion, in politics, but not in paper. Yes, paper's a forest product. It has a grain direction just like a tree. And let's see what happens when we fold a piece of paper with the grain. Folds very nicely. What happens if we fold it against the grain? It cracks. It doesn't fold neatly. We have a very ugly fold here. This does not bode well for your books, manuals, and publications. Now we can mitigate that sometimes by using scoring to break the fibers of the paper so that it scores more neatly and folds more neatly against the grain. But generally, we need to be very aware of grain direction when planning for printing, for perfect binding, for saddle binding, and for folding. Now, we tell you all about it in this issue of our Overnight Lite newsletter, and if you subscribe to it, you've already received this in the mail. But if not, you haven't heard all about the details of paper grain direction. You haven't heard our other story about the price increases that have been recently implemented by FedEx, UPS, and the Postal Service. And you've missed our usual jokes, cartoons, and funnies on the back side. So go to our website, www.copresco.com, and subscribe today.